Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Meatless Monday. I know I've been missing for a couple of weeks, but I have videos filmed, but it's either they're not up to my liking, or the lighting is bad, or something or the other. But I'm here today, even though it's a bit dark. I'll be posting this video today. So what I'll be making today, as you can see from the title, some vegetable pasta in coconut sauce. Alright, so let's begin. So I'm starting out by adding about a tablespoon of oil to my pot here. And immediately I'm adding my onions to that. And I'm just going to run them for about 2 minutes or so to get them translucent. So I have half a carrot here that I thinly sliced. I'm adding that to it. And I'm adding some pumpkin. I think about half a pound of pumpkin I'm adding here. So I have them this chunky because I don't want them to break down too much in the sauce. I just want to get them softened and all of that. So I'm just going to run this for about another 2 minutes or so. Adding about a teaspoon of salt to draw out the liquid from the pumpkin to help them to soften up a bit faster. We have to have spice around there, so I'm adding a piece of scotch bonnet here. Don't worry guys, I'll have the ingredients down in the description box. I'm adding about a tablespoon of chopped garlic there. So now I love my garlic. Give that a quick stir. Here is the star of the show, my coconut milk. About a cup of coconut milk. About every single drop from out there. Coconut is my favorite thing, by the way, if you guys haven't noticed by now. Then I rinse it out with another cup of water and add it to it as well. So I have 2 cups of liquid in all. And to intensify that coconut flavor, I'm adding about a teaspoon of sugar. It's magnetic and spicy, about a teaspoon of that. Cover and allow this to come to a boil and to soften the pumpkin a bit, and then we move on from there. It has now been 5 minutes since I added the coconut milk there, so I'm just going to give it a quick taste to see where we're at. But from the smell of it, I think it needs a little more spice to my liking. And it does, but otherwise it's okay. So I'm adding another piece of pepper there to it. So I'll be using angel hair pasta, and I'm using 2 of these balls here. Stir it. Cover and cook according to packet instructions. I'm at the final 2 minutes of cooking the pasta, so it is here now that I'm adding my cauliflower. What I wish I had to add to it as well is some broccoli. Broccoli is very good in this. Right here now I have some sliced sweet pepper, yellow and green sweet pepper, so I'm adding that too, just right at the finishing here. Cover, and then that's it guys. Look at it, got it there in 15 minutes, 20 minutes with preparation. You have a quick, delicious and nutritious meal here. All right, I'm going to dish it up and then come back and show you what it looks like. Here is a plated meal, guys. My super nutritious and delicious vegetable pasta in coconut sauce. And here I have it served with a side of fried plantains, because I know plantain is everything, cucumber and tomato. If you made it this far, it simply means you enjoy my videos. Why not subscribe? Thank you so very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like and comment. See you in my next video, guys.